Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of durable and charming woodcraft ideas for profit and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Creating durable and charming woodcraft projects offers a unique opportunity to combine aesthetic appeal with functionality, making them perfect for both profit and home decor. One captivating idea is to design and craft high-quality wooden furniture that not only serves practical purposes, but also adds character to any space. For instance, a solid wood dining table can become the centerpiece of a home, inviting family and friends to gather for meals and celebrations. By selecting durable hardwoods like oak, walnut, or cherry, artisans can ensure that their tables not only withstand the rigors of everyday use, but also develop a beautiful patina over time. These tables can be designed in various styles, from rustic farmhouse looks to sleek modern lines, allowing artisans to cater to diverse tastes and interior designs. The ability to customize the size and finish according to customer preferences enhances the appeal, making these tables not just functional pieces, but also cherished heirlooms that tell a story. In addition to furniture, crafting charming wooden storage solutions can be an excellent way to merge practicality with aesthetic appeal. Items such as handcrafted wooden chests or storage benches can serve as both seating and storage, making them ideal for entryways, living rooms, or bedrooms. By utilizing durable materials and thoughtful design, artisans can create pieces that are not only attractive, but also built to last. These storage solutions can feature intricate carvings or rustic finishes that add visual interest, allowing them to blend seamlessly into various decor styles. Marketing these items as dual-purpose solutions can attract customers looking for both beauty and functionality in their home decor, thereby increasing their marketability and potential for profit. Creating wooden home decor items like wall art or decorative shelves can also be a profitable venture. Artisans can experiment with different wood types and finishes to create unique pieces that capture the essence of rustic charm. For example, a wall-mounted shelf made from reclaimed barn wood can serve as a striking focal point in a living room or kitchen, providing a place to display plants, books, or cherished collectibles. The natural imperfections in reclaimed wood add character and authenticity to each piece, making them highly desirable among consumers who appreciate craftsmanship and sustainability. Additionally, incorporating personalized elements such as engravings or custom designs can further enhance their appeal, allowing customers to invest in decor that reflects their individual style and values. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another engaging idea is to create durable wooden toys that evoke nostalgia while ensuring safety and quality for children. Handcrafted wooden toys, such as building blocks, puzzles, or pull-along animals, can provide hours of imaginative play while standing the test of time. By focusing on non-toxic finishes and sturdy construction, artisans can produce items that not only entertain but also promote developmental skills. Wooden toys are increasingly sought after by parents who value eco-friendly and durable alternatives to plastic, making this a market with significant profit potential. The charm of these toys lies not only in their aesthetics, but also in the stories they can create, as families pass them down through generations. Crafting wooden kitchen items is another excellent way to combine durability with charm for home decor. High-quality cutting boards, serving trays, and utensil holders can add warmth and functionality to any kitchen. By using hardwoods like maple or walnut, artisans can create pieces that are not only visually appealing, but also resilient to wear and tear. Personalized cutting boards with engravings or unique shapes can make for thoughtful gifts, appealing to consumers looking for special items for weddings or housewarmings. The tactile nature of wood in the kitchen fosters a welcoming environment, inviting family and friends to gather and share meals together. By emphasizing the durability and beauty of these kitchen items, artisans can effectively market them as essential tools that enhance the culinary experience. Creating wooden planters can also be an appealing project that combines charm with practicality. With the growing trend of indoor gardening and houseplants, handcrafted wooden planters can cater to a market that values both aesthetics and sustainability. Artisans can design planters in various shapes and sizes, incorporating drainage holes and liners to ensure the health of the plants. Using weather-resistant wood types, such as cedar or redwood, can enhance durability, allowing these planters to be used both indoors and outdoors. By promoting these products as stylish solutions for plant lovers, artisans can attract customers looking to enhance their living spaces with greenery while enjoying the benefits of well-crafted, long-lasting planters. Creating charming wooden accessories, such as coasters, candle holders, or key racks, can also provide excellent opportunities for profit. These items can be crafted from scrap wood or more economical materials, allowing artisans to keep production costs low while still delivering high-quality products. Coasters, for example, can feature unique designs or personalized engravings that make them appealing as gifts or decorative accents for the home. Candle holders can add warmth and ambience to any room, especially when designed with intricate details that reflect the artisan's craftsmanship. Key racks, combining both utility and decor, can help maintain organization in entryways while adding a touch of charm to the decor. By marketing these accessories as essential elements for home organization and decor, artisans can attract a wide range of customers seeking both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Another captivating project involves creating wooden children's furniture, such as chairs or tables designed for playrooms or nurseries. These items can be crafted with durability in mind, ensuring they withstand the rigors of active play. By using high-quality materials and focusing on safe, non-toxic finishes, artisans can produce charming yet sturdy furniture that parents will appreciate. Customization options, such as color choices or personalized engravings, can further enhance their appeal, allowing customers to create a unique environment for their children. Marketing these products as both practical and beautiful can attract parents looking to invest in quality pieces that contribute to their home's decor while fostering a nurturing play space. The emotional connection to handcrafted wooden items adds another layer of charm and marketability to these projects. Each piece carries the artisan's unique touch, making it more than just a functional item. It becomes a manifestation of creativity and craftsmanship. Consumers increasingly seek products that tell a story, and handcrafted wood items resonate with those values. By emphasizing the artisanal process, the use of sustainable materials, and the enduring quality of the products, artisans can build a loyal customer base that appreciates not only the beauty of the woodcraft, but also the values behind it. Crafting durable and charming wood projects for profit and home decor is about more than just creating functional items. It's about weaving together personal stories, design sensibilities, and the beauty of natural materials to create pieces that resonate with consumers. From stunning furniture to delightful accessories, each handcrafted item contributes to the overall atmosphere of the home, making it a warm, inviting sanctuary that fosters connection and comfort. In a world increasingly dominated by mass production, these handmade creations stand out as symbols of individuality and craftsmanship, enriching the lives of those who inhabit the spaces they adorn. The journey of creating these wood projects becomes not just about craftsmanship, but about forging connections between the artisan, the material, and the home, resulting in spaces that are meaningful, beautiful, and uniquely personal. Through this process, artisans and customers alike can celebrate the beauty of natural materials and the artistry of craftsmanship, creating living spaces that resonate with warmth, authenticity, and a deep appreciation for the stories embedded within each piece of wood. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked durable and charmer wood craft ideas for profit and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.